Hi everyone, hello and welcome. Introduce my name. My name is Petronella Marbun and I am from class 1B. Okay, today we'll explore one of the most inspiring messages from Pope Francis, Laudato Si, which means praise be to you. This encyclical invites us to open our eyes and hearts to the beautiful beauty of God's creation, our common home, the earth, and to take action to protect it. Let's discover together what it truly means to care for our planet and live in harmony with nature. Summary of Laudato Si on care for our common home. Laudato Si, praise be to you, is Pope Francis' encyclical on the environment and human responsibility toward creation. Its title comes from the canticle of Saint Francis of Assisi, who praised God through all creatures, calling the earth our sister and mother. Pope Francis began by reminding us that this sister now cries out to us because of the harm we have inflicted on her through greed, overconsumption, and exploitation. Humanity has come to see itself as master over nature rather than as part of it, forgetting that we ourselves are dust of the earth. The Pope puts upon the teachings of his predecessors, Saint John 23, Paul VI, John Paul II, and Benedict XVI, who are warned about ecological degradation and its moral dimensions. He emphasized that the environmental crisis is not merely a scientific or technical problem, but a deeply moral and spiritual one. It reflects a distorted worldview that places human power and profit above respect for God's creations. In Chapter 1, What is Happening to Our Common Home? Pope Francis provides a sobering analysis of the planet's condition. He discusses pollution, climate change, water scarcity, loss of biodiversity, and the decline in human quality of life. Pollution, he notes, affects millions of people daily, especially the poor who suffer from dirty air and unsafe water. He criticizes the throwaway culture that leads to mountains of waste and a mindset that treats both things and people as disposable. Climate change, according to the Pope, is one of the greatest challenges facing humanity. The climate is a common good, yet human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, has caused an alarming warming of the earth. Its consequences, such as rising sea levels and extreme weather, disproportionately affect poor nations that lack the means to adapt. Thus, environmental degradation becomes a form of injustice. The wealthy consume and pollute, while the poor suffer the consequence. Pope Francis also highlights the loss of biodiversity as a sign of humanity's short-sightedness. Thousands of species disappear every year, many due to human activity. Each of these creatures, he says, has intrinsic value and give glory to God simply by exciting, destroying them means silencing a part of God's creation forever. The Pope warns that environmental and social crises are incarnated the breakdown of society, poverty, violence, inequality, and alienation is linked to the breakdown of our relationship with nature. Urban life, dominated by pollution, noise, and isolation, reflects humanity's loss of harmony with creation. Digital world, while offering connection, often distract people from real relationship and the beauty of the natural world. Pope Francis criticized the weakness of global political responses, arguing that economic interests often prevail over the common good. Conference and policies remain superficial because they lack moral conviction and courage. He calls for a new and universal solidarity, urging everyone, regardless of religion or background, to engage in dialogue and take shared responsibility for the earth. And ultimately, Laudato Si is a call to ecological conversion, a change of heart and perspective. It invites humanity to rediscover its humble place within creation, to live simply and to care lovingly for our common home, the earth, as a precious gift from God. Okay, guys, Laudato Si remind us that everything is connected: people, nature, and God's creation. Caring for the earth is not just an option, but our moral and spiritual duty. Let us work together in love and solidarity to protect our common home for future generations. Because when we care for creation, we care for each other. Thank you for watching, and remember, small acting can make a big difference.